remove that. We can even, let's say, put this here, go to our image again, move that there, and then hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make images move on Capcut Mobile. So I'm currently here on my Capcut Mobile application, and there is already a video here that's playing. Although this won't be the subject of the matter for this video, this will just be the background that will be that our image will be playing on or moving on. So just to not make it too boring, you know, not just a black background, I decided to put a movie behind, or like clips from a certain movie. So this one's a very good movie though. But yeah, it's a movie. So what I'm gonna do first is add a photo on top of this design, of course, layer. What we need to do is to go here to overlay and then add overlay, and then we go over to that photo once more or something like that, and then just add it there. And then as you can see, it's now on top of the video, right? The background. So what we're going to do is to make this move. So how are we going to move that? It's pretty simple. So let's say we want to move this from here to here. So what we just need to do is to put that there first, and then you click on this diamond icon on the middle right here. That is a keyframe, ladies and gentlemen. So we just click on that, and as you can see that there's a red diamond now on our timeline. So we just go at the end, or the part where you want your photo to move. So the longer, the farther it is from the starting point, the slower it will go. So as you can see, if we play this video, you can see that our image is currently moving. Now we can even upgrade that, and let's remove that. We can even, let's say, put this here, go to our image again, move that there, and then move that downwards or something like that, and then it will look like so. So yeah, that is how you can move images around on Capcut Mobile. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.